So this question has appeared in several different forms. I think I've already seen 3 or 4 variations of this same question. And so make sure you kind of understand how these questions are done in general. So we'll start with this container that has 40 liters of milk, and then we remove 4 liters of milk and then replaced it with water. So that's water. That means milk is 36 liters. So if at this stage, after the first removal, the fraction of the container that is milk would be 36 out of 40, which is 0.9. Now, this is the milk part. Again, we mix this all up, and then we do the same thing. So that means that this 4-liter part is the water that's added. And now this one is 36, but you can think of this, that the amount of milk here would be 0.9 times 36. And as a fraction of the total, because here, once you mix this up, 90% is milk. So this would be the total amount of milk in this 40 liter, which means the fraction of the milk would be this. And you'll notice this is same as 0.9 times 0.9. So repeatedly, we'll get this 0.9 to the power, meaning this power refers to how many times this replacement has been done. So we can see that if we do it the third time, it would be 0.9 cube, and then this continues. The question is, at what stage or after how many times would the volume of milk in the container become less than that of water? So we want this fraction, this is the fraction of milk, so this is the condition we're looking for, needs to be less than 0.5. And you can use the calculator to repeatedly compute this. You'll see 0.9 cube. Some of you might already know, because 9 cube is 729. That's 0.9 cube. So just repeatedly multiply this using the calculator. This would be 0.6561. 0.9 to the 5 is 0.59. 0.9 to the 6 is 0.531. So we're getting there. And 0.9 to the 7, you'll see, is 0.478. So we need to do this 7 times for that fraction of milk to become less than that of water. So the answer is 7.